Starting a business is a big step, and deciding whether to form a limited liability company without much money can be tricky. However, it's entirely possible to do it successfully with a good plan. An LLC can protect your personal assets if your business runs into trouble, which is a big advantage. You don't need a fortune to begin. By carefully planning your expenses, prioritizing essential tasks, and maybe even starting small, you can establish your LLC. By the way, if you're looking to get assistance in starting your own LLC, I highly recommend signing up with Northwest registered agents. They are professionals in the field and can answer any legal questions you have. Plus, using my affiliate link doesn't cost you anything extra and it supports my channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Now, while setting up an LLC sounds fancy and complicated, it doesn't have to be a bank breaker. An LLC is a popular choice for many because it offers protection for your personal assets and has tax benefits. However, it's not always necessary right out of the gate. Many think you need to have all your ducks in a row, like a business bank account, a registered agent, and an employer identification number before starting an LLC. But here's a little secret. You can start laying the groundwork without any money up front. The first thing to know is that you can kick things off without immediately jumping into an LLC. Start simple. You can operate as a sole proprietor, which is just a fancy way of saying you're doing business without any formal structure. At this stage, you can use your social security number for business activities, but there's a smarter move. Getting an EIN from the IRS website for free. This keeps your personal information secure and separates your business dealings from your personal life. In today's digital age, the opportunities for starting a low-cost business are endless. The key is to leverage skills you already possess or can acquire without a significant investment. For instance, if you have a knack for writing, consider starting a freelance content creation service. With just a computer and internet access, you can offer your writing services to businesses and individuals across the globe. Moreover, the gig economy has opened doors to various opportunities, from virtual assistants to graphic design and even consulting services. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn can be excellent places to showcase your skills and find your first few clients without spending a dime on marketing. Remember, the goal at this stage is to validate your business idea by attracting a few paying customers. This initial validation is crucial. It not only proves that your idea has merit, but also provides you with valuable feedback to refine your offerings. Embrace the lean startup methodology by minimizing your initial expenses and focusing on building a minimum viable product. This approach allows you to test the waters without committing a large sum of money upfront. Networking, both online and offline, can be a powerful tool at this stage. Engage with potential clients and industry professionals through social media, forums, and local events. This not only helps in market research, but also in building relationships that could lead to future business opportunities. Next up, let people know about your business. Use social media, word of mouth, and any free resources at your disposal. The goal is to get your first few customers without opening your wallet. Marketing your new business doesn't have to involve expensive ad campaigns or high-end PR firms. In the digital era, creativity and strategy trump big marketing budgets. Start by utilizing social media platforms to their fullest potential. Create profiles on the platforms where your target audience spends the most time, be it Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Share valuable content related to your niche, engage with your audience, and gradually build a community around your brand. Word of mouth marketing is another powerful, cost-effective tool. Encourage friends, family, and satisfied customers to spread the word about your services. Personal recommendations from people we trust are incredibly persuasive and can lead to new business without any additional costs. Using SEO can also play a very important role in spreading the word about your business. Start a blog related to your industry and use relevant keywords to attract organic search traffic. Over time, this can position your website as the go-to resource in your field, bringing in clients without the need for direct advertising. Furthermore, consider collaborating with other small businesses or influencers in your industry. This can be as simple as guest posting on each other's blogs or promoting each other's services on social media. These partnerships allow you to tap into an existing audience, increasing your visibility and credibility. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of providing exceptional service. Happy customers are more likely to return and refer others to your business. Focus on building strong relationships with your clients, understanding their needs, and exceeding their expectations. This foundation of trust and quality can be the most effective marketing tool, driving word-of-mouth referrals and building a loyal customer base. Before you rush into forming an LLC, use your personal bank account and your social security number for business transactions. It's perfectly legal and saves you the hassle and expense of setting up a business bank account and getting a separate tax ID for your business. Simplicity is key. The simplicity of using your social security number for business transactions can be appealing. However, to maintain a separation between your personal and business identity, obtaining an employer identification number is a wise move. An EIN is not only free, but also easy to acquire through the IRS website. You might feel the pressure to establish a formal business structure right away, but it's essential to consider the benefits of starting as a sole proprietor. Operating under your own name or a DBA, doing business as, allows you to initiate business transactions, sign contracts, and manage income and expenses without the complexity and costs associated with forming an LLC. This step enhances your business's credibility, facilitates the opening of a business bank account, and helps protect your personal information. During this phase, focus on validating your business model and achieving a product market fit. Utilize existing resources such as your home office, personal computer, and any tools you already own to deliver your products or services. This lean approach minimizes your upfront expenses, allowing you to invest more in growing your business organically. Remember, the goal is to prove that your business can generate revenue and serve as a real need in the market before formalizing its structure. Choosing a business name is an exciting part, but registering an LLC just to secure a name might be too early if funds are tight. Instead, consider filing for a doing business as DBA name. A DBA allows you to conduct business under a name other than your own personal name without forming an LLC. This step is significantly cheaper than forming an LLC and provides the legal cover to use a business name for banking, contracts, and marketing. Filing for a DBA involves checking with your local or state government to ensure the name isn't already in use, then registering the name, typically for a small fee. This process gives your business a more professional appearance and helps in brand building even before you're financially ready to establish an LLC. Using a DBA has its benefits, such as business name protection within your state or county and the ability to open a business bank account under the business name, enhancing your professional image to customers and potential partners. Remember, a DBA doesn't offer personal liability protection like an LLC does, but it's a solid step towards legitimizing your business without significant upfront costs. After you've established your business name through a DBA, the next step in legitimizing your business is obtaining an employer identification number from the IRS. An EIN is essentially a social security number, but for your business, allowing you to open a business bank account, apply for business licenses, and handle employee payroll. And the best part, it's completely free and can be obtained online directly through the IRS website. Applying for an EIN not only adds a layer of professionalism to your business, but also helps protect your personal information. Instead of using your social security number for business transactions, which can increase the risk of identity theft, an EIN keeps your personal and business finances separate. This separation is important for when your business starts to grow and you begin to consider forming an LLC for additional legal and financial protection. Getting an EIN is straightforward. Visit the IRS website, fill out the application, and receive your EIN instantly. This step is something you can do right away, laying the groundwork for the more complex aspects of business finance and management as you grow. Hold off on forming your LLC until you really need it, like when you land a big contract that requires it or when you need to protect your personal assets from business liabilities. One of the most common pieces of advice for new entrepreneurs is to start lean and avoid unnecessary expenses. This is especially true when considering forming an LLC. Now, while an LLC provides numerous benefits, including liability protection and potential tax advantages, it also comes with costs, filing fees, possible annual fees, and depending on your state, other miscellaneous expenses. In the early stages of your business, focus on building a solid foundation and generating revenue before incurring these additional costs. Use this time to validate your business idea, acquire customers, and understand your market. As your business grows and begins generating steady income, you can then reassess the need for forming an LLC. This approach not only helps you avoid unnecessary expenses, but also gives you time to learn more about the legal and financial aspects of running a business. By the time you're ready to form an LLC, you'll be more informed and better equipped to navigate the process. When you're ready, look into opening a business bank account with a small local bank. Opening a business bank account is an important step in separating your personal and business finances, a critical practice for financial management and legal protection. However, this doesn't mean you need to rush into expensive banking solutions with high fees and minimum balance requirements. Small, local banks or credit unions often offer more favorable terms for small businesses just starting out. They may provide lower fees, more personalized customer service, and and a better understanding of the local business environment. Starting with a business checking account that has no or low minimum balance requirements and low fees can significantly reduce your overhead costs. Moreover, having a business bank account allows you to accept payments in your business name, further legitimizing your venture in the eyes of customers and partners. It also simplifies accounting and tax reporting, as all business transactions are separate from your personal finances. As your business grows, your banking needs may change. Starting with a simple, cost-effective banking solution gives you the flexibility to upgrade or switch services as your business evolves without locking you into expensive fees or services you don't need. Now, if you're starting to see some real money come in and you want to protect your personal assets, it might be time. Or if you've got a business that's risky and you want to limit your personal liability, forming an LLC can give you peace of mind. Starting an LLC with no money is about being smart and strategic. Use the resources you have, start small, and grow your business step by step. Save the formalities for when you're ready, and don't let the fear of not having enough money hold you back. And don't forget that if you would like to get help in starting your own LLC, I highly recommend you sign up with Northwest Registered Agents by clicking my affiliate link down in the description of this video. They're professionals and they'll be able to help you out with any legal questions you have. Plus, clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you for watching. Till next time.